Let's make your computer faster within 10 minutes, and I'm going to start the timer and I cannot edit this video. So right now I'm going to click on start and you can see that the timer is playing. So first let me switch so I can remove my background just like this so I can switch to the desktop. Right now, very simple, right click on the Windows icon and go to Task Manager. Right here we can easily click on startup apps and disable them. Most of these don't have to start up with your system and I really recommend you turn them off because it's going to take performance in the background of your PC. So right here, for example, phone link, you can turn it off. Browser assistant from Opera, you can turn it off. And I recommend you click on status so you can filter it with enabled and turn them all off. This will make your computer a lot faster and also increase your boot time. So very quick, and right now I'm moving on to the next step, which is removing animations very easily. Let's go to the virtual machine I've prepared for this. Right here you can see animations and it takes a while. So right here, if I open something, I'm just gonna hide this. You can see that there are animations when closing it and all, and it has a few seconds delay. So let's make your computer faster. Type animations in the start menu, that's the search bar, or you can click on the Windows icon and then you can type. Right here, let's click on animation effects and let's disable them very easily, just like this. Transparency effects don't really matter, but I think it can improve a little bit of performance with making things more beautiful. But for that's not very important. We also have another thing that is called adjust appearance of your windows. Just type adjust and you should be able to find this. Just click on it and then you have these options. You can turn off for best performance, which means you have a very ugly windows just like this, which you don't want. What I quite like to do right here very easily is show window contents while dragging. So right now you can see that while I'm dragging it works. I can actually see it and increase or improve the font itself. So let me have a quick look here. Where are you, mister? Such small text right here. There is something with shadows or something, smooth edges of screen fonts. There you go. Actually, I like to turn that on and then it's a lot better with the readability. So right now your PC is already a lot faster. So make sure you subscribe right now because yeah, the Tech Tips channel is going to grow and everything. And if we hit 25 likes, I'm going to show you another way that's a lot better and a lot quicker to make your computer a lot faster. And I promise you, it really works. So right here, step 3, we have enable high performance power plan because we can disable the load on the CPU. So very easily, I'm just gonna go to Edge right here. If I can even open it, I'm pretty sure there is no Edge. Is there no browser? Okay, I'm completely not prepared. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go. Let me have a look. Faster says no. Okay. Let me just go here to the browser. You can actually see this. This is my own desktop. Right here, let's type very easily Ultimate Power Plan. Very easily, type this in your browser and how to enable How to Geek. How to Geek is a very good website. I recommend you go to it right now. And then if you search on Google, very easily, here is the command because we want to enable it. So right here we have the powercfg. So let's go and do that. And then right here in the virtual machine, I'm going to open my CMD by typing CMD in start menu. And right here, Control Shift V. Let me have a look. I should be able to copy paste. I'm really great prepared with here. But very easily, you can easily go to your CMD just like this and then paste it right here. And after pressing enable, you have the power scheme ultimate performance. So if you go to the power settings right now, so let me type for energy. Yeah, right there, power plan, something like that. Depends. It's always changing. Like here, edit power plan. So it's edit power plan. Yeah, edit power plan very easily. This is the reason why we got the videos, by the way. But yeah, right here, very easily go back to power options and then enable the ultimate power plan, just like that. And after doing that, your CPU should be throttling less because it should be drawing a little bit more power. So your power is always ahead of your CPU. How much time do we actually have left? Oh my god, we literally have 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. That's not a lot of time. I'm gonna try to do my best. I really promise. But while we're waiting, I mean, come on, man. I'm wearing cool merch right now. Like, come on. That's pretty cool, right? I'm just gonna disable the search background right here. Like, come on. It's a bunny. I made this for Easter. Actually, my merch designer made this for Easter. He's very cool, and I actually also made some t-shirts. So make sure you check out thephonus.nl/shop. And right here, right here, you should be seeing some promotions. And yeah, we're doing our best, making things grow, education, everything, making everything simpler. I should not be wasting any time. Uninstall unnecessary apps. Very easily. Let me switch back to my desktop, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, broadcast. Thank you very much. That's what I'm using to remove my background, by the way. Okay, what unnecessary apps? Yeah. Here we are gonna do that. I'm just gonna go to my own system. It's a lot better. I'm just gonna close this one. Hold on, guys. Right here above my own system, I'm gonna type apps. Add or remove apps. There you go. Oh, programs. Just like that. In the start menu, very easily. And right now, you should be subscribing. It's taking too long. Apps. Very easily. What I recommend you do is you sort by size. Large to small. And then all your drives. Depending if you have a hard drive, but I do recommend you still do it. Right here, you can easily see all my apps. And this one is the biggest one. Are you still playing it? Storage. Your computer is, of course, placing everything on your disk. And therefore, if your computer needs to keep searching and all, it takes a lot more time. It has to run search indexes and everything. Some things can be slower. I do recommend you actually uninstall a lot of apps. They can be very helpful with making your computer a lot faster. So very easily, for example, an app you want to uninstall, just click here on 3 dots and then click here on uninstall. And then proceed here to click on uninstall. Now I'm going to remove Borderlands 3 and I have to reinstall it again. Thank you, guys. It's alright. Fast Wi-Fi is important. I recommend you have that when you're going to game. I don't have fast Wi-Fi, but that does not matter. I'm very happy to help you guys. Okay, next one. Very easily clean up your system with disk cleanup. Right here, very easily start menu disk cleanup. Very important. I'm gonna click on press on enter. And right here we have drives. I'm going to click on my C drive. It's the one I'm going to clean. If you have other drives, I recommend you clean them too. Let's click on OK. Very easily, let's remove some downloaded program files. They don't matter. Temporary files, I recommend you turn it off. Offline web pages, turn it on. Everything here except temporary internet files, because sometimes it deletes some internet files like your cookies and passwords and everything. I don't know. It's sometimes bugged. I like to turn on these things and then click on OK. Yes, we want to actually make some more free space for our system, and it's way better. Sometimes if games reload their cache and everything, they can be running smoother because old cache can be bugging with new cache or something like that. I only have 1 minute left. It doesn't really matter. Okay, let me have a look. That was everything. I promise you. Right there. Guys, I did it. Actually, we did it. You cleaned up your PC with me within 10 minutes, and I did not lie. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right now, because we are trying to post a lot more videos more often and a lot better. We're also expanding with other types of videos. For example, language learning. For example, better health. Having more power inside of yourself. Amazing. But yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll actually see you in the next one. Pretty sure of it. Ciao.